And I know you like a jukebox playing in the middle of the club. A hot night, baby, and I just can't get enough.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and that means I am moving out of my dorm. I'm so excited to be back here. I forgot how much I missed it. I was like riding around town and I was like, oh my god, that's like my favorite restaurant and all that. So today we're gonna move out of my dorm, and I'm super excited. So I want to bring you guys along. So right now I'm currently in my hotel room. My move out is at 10 and it's currently like 9:30 or so, and we are going to head over there. So let's go. We are here. John England is in the background. I'm so excited to go see what my room looks like. I kind of forgot what I left and whatnot, so we're gonna go and see what's inside. Are you excited?
Yeah, it's cool to be back here.
Yeah,
It's a beautiful campus and I always like seeing it when I come.
yeah. Here is campus. Yeah. You can now all know what floor I'm on, because it doesn't matter anymore. Oh gosh. This is how I left my dorm. Here's a quick update. Mom is taking away that. I got the bed stripped and we're using a pillowcase, I thought. And we got the bed stripped and they're putting the mattress topper thing. Update on the progress.
That's a metal straw cleaner.
This is straw.
Okay.
We're packing stuff up. Leander's here.
We're finding things we probably shouldn't be finding.
This is all the stuff that's going to the storage unit. And this is all the stuff that's going back home. Yes, love it. Love it. We're taking stuff to the trash. Oh my. Somebody really just threw their mattress topper away. Somebody really just threw their desk hutch away. Oh my. Mom, I have to go tell my mom. I could get this and then sell it. Yo. Yo, hold the phone. Update, we got the desk hutch in here. It's like way better than mine. And if I don't want it, I can just sell it on the Alabama Ticket Exchange. That's going in storage, that's going in storage. I really hope we have enough room now. Not much has changed since last time. It is so hot in the dorm, but... Stop! Slowly becoming empty. Oh.
There and let it go to the storage place. You were going to sit there. Is this going home with us? Hey, Katelyn.
Alright, we're to the finish line. How do you feel?
I'm doing good.
We got all the stuff that's going in the storage unit, and this is all the stuff that's going back home. I think I've said already, but we're in the elevator. I got all my stuff.
The elevator's
Yes.
Just go right into those ways.
I filmed, they work. Like lay it down. And I tell people what to do.
lay it on its back. This way. Dad and I are on our way to a storage unit. To drop off Katelyn's stuff that she's just gonna leave here and pick back up when she gets here in August. The rest of the stuff is back up in her room. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Alrighty guys, here we are. This, I really like this storage unit, it's pretty cool. Whoop, there we go. And we're inside. Away we go. Alright guys, so here we are. We're in this long hall of storage units. Ours is somewhere back there, I'm not sure. We got everything in there. It's nice and snug. I think that's a perfect size locker for everything we have. Only thing we'll have to do is close it up and be on our way. Locked up. So we're leaving now. Going through the dark halls of this storage unit.
Oh my gosh, you guys. It's completely empty. Everything is gone. This is so sad. I'ma cry. I'm just playing. Y'all, I'm so sad. Are you sad? I'm laughing. I'm smiling, but I'm low-key sad. Are you sad, Dad?
Huh?
Are you sad? Are you sad?
Devastated. About what?
You heard it here first. Bye. 4:35. If you get this room, DM me on Instagram. I want to come see how you decorate it. In case you're living here next year, this is how it's set up. In case you're wondering. There's lots of fans. Yes. Hey, it's almost 1 and we are walking to go get his brother
from my apartment.
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube?
And then we're gonna go eat with my fam. He met the fam. He really did meet the fam. They like him a lot, so.
Be on YouTube. Is that a class you gotta see?
We're now in this super cool store. It's on the strip. They literally have everything. Alabama. Yeah. Hey guys, so it is currently 3:08 and I am in the car. We are about to head home. I'm super sad because I don't want to leave. I just said goodbye to Leander and his brother. And now I'm in the car with Garrett.
Hello.
And I hope you liked his part of the vlog. I haven't watched it yet, but I'm super excited to edit and see how he did. He could be the next vlogger.
Not gonna happen.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a huge thumbs up for me. It simply lets me know that you're enjoying my content, as well as subscribing down below because I am posting a lot more since I'm home and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.